Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to activate your Office by telephone without calling any number from a website. This is a legit website from Microsoft. So when you type in the product key, this window will come up. Select activate Office by telephone and then select your country. This will generate 7 digits installation ID. So you need to type in from that website. This is an instruction note, so you can read it. So open this link on a new window. I have added this note on description, so you can copy it from there. From here, select 7 digits. Now minimize your window and keep the Word page open. Now type in the installation ID. I'm going to fast forward the process to save time. So make sure when you type the numbers in, make sure they are in right order and correct digits. Once you type them all in, then scroll down and click submit. This will ask you how many different computers that have been installed with this copy of Microsoft Office. Type in 0 and click enter. And now it has given you the confirmation ID. So copy them and paste them in the installation confirmation ID. Copy and paste them in order. Now click next. There you go. Thank you. Your copy of Microsoft Office has been activated. Now you can check it by going into your account. So click on files and then go into your account. Look, it shows this product key has been activated. Now go on to the website. Did you get an error message? Click no. and then goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.